Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to download and install a WordPress theme from Envato. So let's get started. First, on the top side here, from the menu, select WordPress. Now here, search for themes and even specify the niche you're working on. Then on the left side here, click on Themes to filter your search to themes only. Select any one that you want to download. Next, on the top right side here, click on the download button. After downloading, you will get a zip file. Open the zip file to find a main theme file, a child theme, and any required plugins. Extract these files into a new folder on your desktop. Now log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New Theme and select Upload Theme. Click on Choose File and navigate to the folder where you extracted the files. Select the main theme file and click Install. Now, once the theme is installed, click on Activate. If you visit the front end of your website, you'll see that the appearance has changed according to the new theme. Next, you'll need to install the required plugins that come with the theme. Go back to the dashboard, click on Plugins, then add New Plugins, and click Upload Plugin. Select the plugin file and click Install. Now, once installed, activate the plugin. Once you can refresh your website, you will see that everything on your website is now ready to be customized. And that's it. Whether it's for your portfolio, blog, or online presence, you need a theme that's stylish, customizable, and easy to manage. And the one I recommend is the DV theme by Elegant Themes. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or professional, it helps you showcase your skills, build trust, and even land new opportunities. That's why you need a theme that reflects your personality while staying modern and professional. Why is the DV theme the best choice? Design your website in real time with zero coding. DV comes with pre-made designs for portfolios, resumes, and blogs. Change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your personal brand. DV loads quickly and works well with SEO plugins, helping you grow your online presence. Looks perfect on desktop, tablet, and mobile. DV gets constant updates, making it reliable for years to come. DV is perfect for anyone creating a personal brand website, a freelance portfolio, a resume site, or even a simple personal blog. It adapts to your style, whether you want something minimal or highly creative. So, I highly recommend trying DV Theme. Use the link in the description to try DV from Elegant Themes at a great price.